Oral communication is the functional exchange of ideas and thoughts that aims to be interactive. It requires the mastery of both listening and speaking skills. In this video, we will focus on this second set of skills needed in communicating orally, namely, speaking skills. Specifically, we are going to talk about the different types of speeches one can make according to purpose and to delivery. There are at least 3 types of speeches according to purpose, and 4 types according to delivery. Each type has its unique advantages and disadvantages. As such, the speaker should understand when they should be used, in order to fit the type of scenario they are being called to speak at. The 3 types of speeches according to purpose. Expository or informative. Expository speech is meant to educate an audience. It is used to explain or describe facts and truths. It uses methods such as definition, description, comparison and contrast, narration and demonstration. Examples of expository speeches are classroom lectures, speeches of tribute, and keynote addresses. Persuasive. This type of speech is designed to convince and encourage listeners to reinforce, change or adapt beliefs, values or attitudes based on presented propositions. The most effective methods used in persuasive speeches are problem solution, cause and effect, comparative advantages, reason giving, and motivated sequence. Examples of this type of speech are political campaigns, public debates, and product launching stories. Entertainment. Entertainment speech is delivered to provide fun and laughter, or invite listeners to join in any celebration. Examples of entertainment speeches are wedding toasts, roasts, and after-dinner speeches. The 4 types of speeches according to delivery. Reading from a manuscript. This type of speech has the most formal type of delivery. It is also the most effective, as the speaker has control over how the speech is worded. Manuscript speech delivery focuses on a speaker who recites a speech word for word, off of a written document. It is therefore a verbatim replication of what is written down. This type of delivery is important when what needs to be discussed has to be preserved in its entirety. Strengths. Guarantees refined, polished, and stylized language done with preparation. Facilitates word-for-word reading for phrases embellished with stylistic elements. Limitations. Takes time to prepare. Delimits the spontaneity and conversational dynamics that effective speakers want to achieve. Creates artificiality of getting to the point if not read well. Memorized speech. Memorized speech is the most challenging to get through. It is best when accepting awards, making announcements, or for presenting the same idea several times, such as in the case of teachers and preachers. Strengths. Allows maximum eye contact with the audience. Allows gestures and free movement for the speaker. Limitations. Adds to anxiety of forgetting what to say. Sounds unnatural or lacking in spontaneity. Lessens ability to make on-the-spot ad-libs. Extemporaneous speech. Extemporaneous speeches are delivered with prepared notes, and can have a preparation time from a few minutes to half an hour. This method is used when a person wants to appear to be speaking conversationally to their audience. However, the speaker should have carefully practiced and memorized their speech before delivering it. During the speech, they will have access to brief notes that they can reference as prompts. This keeps them on target and allows them to maintain eye contact with the crowd and gauge understanding. Strengths. Enables the speaker to speak in a more conversational tone by letting the notes guide them, but not dictate every word they say. Allows the speakers to make more eye contact and connect more with the audience. Limitations. Speakers may forget what else was planned to say, or find a card to be out of order. Requires large amount of time and practice. Impromptu speech. Impromptu speech is delivered with little or no preparation, usually about a topic that the speaker knows well. It is thinking on one's feet or speaking off the cuff, since it is usually presented with no guide notes or outline, and with only a little time for preparation. Strengths. Allows maintained direct eye contact with audience. Sounds genuine because of its informality. Limitations. May likely leave out important information if preparation is hasty. Might lack logical organization due to minimal preparation. To recap, oral communication is the functional exchange of ideas and thoughts that aims to be interactive. There are 3 types of speeches according to purpose, namely expository or informative, persuasive, and entertainment. while there are 4 types according to delivery: manuscript, memorized, extemporaneous, and impromptu. In the 21st century, the development of oral communication is anchored on different technological advancements. Today, oral communication is no longer limited to real-life encounters, as people now communicate through gadgets, social media, and other online platforms. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like, follow us on social media, and subscribe to our channel for more related content. Also, if you want us to make a video about a specific topic, please let us know in the comments section. Thank you, and see you in our next videos.